Stand! That damn bottle made me lose my fish.
They're not there, they're just like, huh? Really? Is that all you got? Didn't scare us. You little bits have to have had fizzy.
My line got cold. I shot it out.
The listeners aren't phased.
But yeah. What?
They're not phased one bit.
No, they're probably used to it. I do live near a campsite, so they were born near a campsite. They probably had up in a lot.
Come on, you lot. Well, it's still quite early for them to be on the hook. We don't usually catch him until about 12, do we?
It's only about 11:15, so it gives me time to sort my wire out. Look, what happened here? Get off the bite alarm, the alarm system. So there's been one occasion where we hadn't caught until about 4 or 5 o'clock. But we always come here and we end up in a hot day here. It's nice and relaxing here.
Yep.
But then when we do start catching, we really start catching. And usually what happens when we start catching is when it's a well and truly catcher.
In a minute, they're just playing with my hook at the minute.
At the minute they got playing around, taking the foot, taking the bait and running.
I wondered earlier on when I put a bit of spam on. I put a bit of spam on and it went legging that way with it in its mouth.
I know.
Like, oh, you cheeky little bugger.
Done it to me as well. Nick it and run off. It's my fault now. I'll take it away. I got to go feed my nanny. My nanny's over here hungry. You have enough bag? That's a
Really,
good.
why is I'm lighting up a bag? You cheeky buggers. They must know when I'm lighting up a bag. Swear down.
No sorting my line out, darling. I'm casting it a lot further. I casted it in the weed over there.
Look at them all around my float, look.
Yeah. Is the burger van open yet?
No. Not when I last went up there.
It scared me, that's my line, not the line, not the hook, over the other side of it. Don't eat the line. Don't be.
I saw that then. When they jumped over your line. Jumped over it, turned around and tried to eat it. Right, put this line in my way.
I break it. I break the line. I try to eat my line.